In a sudden river crossing, one essential survival skill shines, choosing the safest line by reading current seams and depth. He spots a submerged log and moves upstream to ride calmer water, stepping deliberately, with steady, even strides. On the far bank he plants firmly, pausing to assess footing and avoiding abrupt movements that could slip. A quick breath, light pack, and focused stance keep balance and conserve energy for the next safe step. With practice, this line-reading technique turns a risky crossing into a controlled, repeatable maneuver rather than a guess.